do the math. 5,000 times 15 bucks. If you can use a tool like that, that costs you nothing or very little, 5,000 times 15 is $75,000. James here with Dave Espino. How would you like to be able to make shorts for YouTube and other platforms in seconds for free, just like we do? Well, that's what this video is all about.
It's called Opus.pro. You find it at Opus.pro. And what it does is it takes a video and it creates up to 5 YouTube shorts. Now, what is a YouTube short? A YouTube short is a vertical video that is less than 60 seconds. In other words, a minute or less, right? And so when I discovered this, I was like, I was blown away, and I showed James, and we were both kind of shocked, because all you do here, by the way, completely free right now, all you do is you drop in a YouTube link, and then you click on Get Clips for Free. So I actually just popped in a link of this video, 300 Million Jobs Will Be Lost, a video we just did recently. I popped it in there. It's going to have you sign in, and it brings you to this page, and you click on Get Clips in one click. And then you just let it get to work, and it'll automatically just go to work and start creating your clip. And so the longer your video, the better. The more video content you have, the more shorts it'll create out of your video. But here's the cool thing about it is it's like a human. It automatically detects the words. It detects where to put the words in the right sequence in the video. It adds captions. So each of those, let's say it creates 10 videos, each of those 10 videos is in like a storyboard format, in a flow. It's not just pulling random clips and you don't know what the heck it's trying to say. It actually goes in a really good flow order. So each video ends up being a really good video unto itself. And so every single short you can create is just like another traffic driver, because these YouTube shorts get a lot of traffic from YouTube. And so this is an amazing way to get free YouTube shorts, where some people are paying 50 bucks per short to an editor to do what we're doing right here.
Absolutely. So number one, you could do this as a business. You could be a video editor and say, I'll make your videos into shorts for you. People just don't know that they could be using a free tool to do this. And you could charge whatever you want. 20 bucks, takes you 5 seconds to do it. And here's 5 short videos. Here's 10 short videos. And you'll start to make a name for yourself making those things. That's one way you can do it. Also, we see platforms like TikTok. We see platforms like YouTube with shorts, among others. They really are, because of our attention spans or for whatever reason, they really are promoting these short style videos, because people in general, they want that. They want these short clips. So for YouTube specifically, you see it all the time. You see these short videos with the words being shown across the screen. This tool absolutely does it for you. So it's awesome, where AI can save you time. Dave and I weren't necessarily focused on making shorts for this particular channel, but when we found the tool like this, we now start making shorts. And with basically 0 of our time, we're getting thousands of views, just because we're now using another avenue to get views, because people want to see 20-second clips. And there's a place for that, and there's a place for these longer extended videos. It just depends where the person is when they want to watch something. So we could be getting people coming to our channel to see our short clips. Now they want to watch our longer stuff, and vice versa. So it's a great option. And the fact that you can monetize that, save yourself time, it's great using a tool like this.
Yeah, and by the way, YouTube recently came out and said, we're going to start monetizing shorts. They want to incentivize people to make shorts. So guess what? Now you can make them really easily. And then what each video does, like each short that you have, tends to get a lot more traffic, because YouTube is really pushing these shorts, right? In each of those descriptions, you put a link to your long form video of the same topic, the one that it came from. Now you're driving traffic to your long form videos as well. I wanted to share this also, James. I did a quick search on Fiverr for shorts. And of course, there are people that will offer YouTube shorts. I will edit your Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube shorts. I'll make clips for YouTube shorts. I'll make a slick short video for YouTube, and so on. Anywhere from 10, 15, 20, 100 bucks, depending on which one. Let's look at this $100 one over here.
Well, I was going to say, Dave, some of those are 100 bucks, but others are 15 bucks, and they've got 1,000 reviews. So if we say there's 4 times as many people buying than reviews, this person has, do the math, 5,000 times 15 bucks. If you can use a tool like that, that costs you nothing or very little, what's that? I don't know. I just need to do the math, but it's a lot, right? 5,000 times 15 is $75,000. So it's
Wow.
fair to say, and that's if you did it for $15. Look at this person
Yep.
here. I will
100
create
bucks.
YouTube shorts for $35, and they have roughly a thousand reviews, not sales, reviews.
Hmm.
So that person, that's a six-figure business that they
Yep.
have. So we're breaking down a six-figure business by using an AI tool. So people just really need to realize sometimes time is money, right? And
Yep.
you may not have the patience or the wherewithal to make 10,000 YouTube shorts for people, but you know what? If you have an extra 20 minutes a day, you could now be being paid hundreds of dollars a day, because now you're like, oh, I can do this while I'm watching commercials in between TV. Boom, set it
Right.
up. It's not really taking any of your time, but you've made yourself a little side business.
Yeah, it's super fast. And with this tool that I'm showing you, Opus.pro, typically now, right now we're in a high demand time, but typically it'll take 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you've got 5 shorts made, and these shorts are usually all different. So if you wanted to offer a package of shorts, say, hey, send me your videos, your 10-minute videos, 20-minute videos, or whatever. And for 10-minute videos, I can make 5 shorts. And for 20-minute videos, I can make 10 shorts. And you charge $35 or whatever. I mean, this thing does it for you. It completely does it for you. It includes captions. It includes emojis, like short little emojis when it needs it. It doesn't overdo it. It's really well done. So it really is like having your own editor, like outsourcing this Fiverr gig to an editor that's taking care of the work for you. And it's done instantly. And right now it's free. It may not be free forever, but right now this tool is free.
And there's going to be tools like this that come out. We're not necessarily saying that's the tool that you need to use. The one that I told Dave about, I wasn't aware of this tool. That's the thing. How fast these tools are coming out. I was like, Dave, look at this AI short creator. And it wasn't that much. I forget exactly how much it was, $10 or $20 a month, but I was excited about that. And then Dave's
Yep.
like, well, I just found the same thing. It's free. I mean, these things are coming out so quick.
They are. They
you know,
are. This whole industry, the AI world, is moving very, very fast. That's why you need to be subscribed to this channel, subscribe to our newsletter. There's so much happening, and it's happening so quickly. You got to stay on top of it. And James and I, because this is our hobby, like this is fun for us to stay on top of this stuff. This is kind of what we do. We're always like looking forward and looking on the horizon, seeing what's coming. Like we we go where the hockey puck's going, not where it is. So I know James likes that hockey reference.
Yeah, we're like the Wayne Gretzky of AI videos, Dave.
There you go. We're the Wayne Gretzky of AI video. Love it. Yeah. So stay tuned, because man, it's only going to get better, and it's only going to move faster. And as it keeps going like this, there's no telling what's going to happen. All right. So the videos are ready. The shorts are ready. So we want to take a quick look. Like, we haven't seen these yet. So this is our first response to them as well. All right. Before I show the video, I just want to share how this works. So it actually gives you a title. It says Secrets of Drive-Thrus Uncovered, Surprising Ways to Cash In. And then it tells you about the video. It says the video has an engaging hook and provides a coherent and complete discussion of ways to make money through improved customer service. Gives it a 99 score, meaning viral score, the likelihood that this video will go viral on Shorts, TikTok, Reels, and so on. And then here's number 2, the DMV experience you never knew was possible, uncovering surprising technology.
Like, this is
sounds good.
Like, because I'm sorry, I think I'm pretty smart, but I don't know that I would come up with engaging headlines like that.
Yeah, these are pretty killer headlines as I'm looking at them. Number 3, Wendy's teams up with Google Cloud for AI chatbot in drive-thru. Number 4, revolutionizing everyday tasks, how AI is changing the way we live. It actually gives you the script down here. So you can actually see what it said, and then you could edit it if you want to, if you need to. Number 5, uncover the immediate life-changing opportunity you didn't know existed. Wow, that's a good title. DMV gets a major upgrade.
But you know what, though? It's like when you scroll up, it's really interesting, because you tend, not you, Dave, but just people in general, including myself, when we're making a video, we think all our videos are great, right?
Yeah.
But you know what? To a certain extent, there's a science to this, and it's recognizing, however it's doing it, it's beyond me, but it's recognizing that, you know what, I mean, if I was to look at these clips right now, I probably would, that title, Secrets of Drive-Thrus Uncovered, Surprising Ways to Cash In, I
Yep.
would probably watch that.
That's
And
a great title.
yeah, and it's probably it's recognizing that, like, for whatever reason, of the 10 parts of our video, it recognized this part here was probably the most compelling. And it's like, well, you know what? At some point you just kind of have to throw your hands up and say, yeah, let the AI do its thing, rather than
Yep.
me spending 2 hours trying to figure out what 30 seconds are the best part of our 10-minute video.
Yep.
It's just gonna do it, and let's go with it.
Going to do it automatically, and that's amazing. And by the way, this took about roughly 8 minutes. Let's click this one first and just see. We'll look at a couple of them because they're very short. So this is Wendy's. There's McDonald's. Further down the article, it talks about Carl's Jr., right? These are the giants of fast food. But imagine the opportunity to do this service for smaller drive-thrus of all kinds. There's lots of mom and pop drive-through restaurants, drive-through breakfast place, drive-through mom and pop hamburger place. Just imagine being able to do that for them. And now they don't have to pay a full-time employee to take the orders. They can just focus on serving the orders, right? And that's just one idea. What other things exist out there that are drive-through besides food? There's all kinds of drive-through stuff.
Even regular restaurants. Like, you go there, where the heck is that waiter?
Exactly.
Here for 15 minutes. Well, as soon as you get in, if you're like, I know what I want, it's like, would you, okay, here it is, boom.
So let's talk about weight. So that's one video, and that's the 99 virality score. Let's look at one more. And this one was a particularly cool breakthrough that James had in that same video. Imagine you're at the DMV, you park, there's a little sign, just like when you go pick up groceries, there's a little sign, hey, dial this number to start the process, right? You're sitting in the comfort of your car, you're not waiting in line, you're just like, okay, and there's an app, and you're talking with a chat bot, and it does all the processing for you. Okay, now come into window 4 to pick up your document, and you're done.
Yeah.
Like,
all of a sudden you enjoy going to the DMV.
Imagine you're at the DMV. All right, that's number 2. Let's look at number 3.
And see, the thing is, Dave, that's great because people see that and then like, what? I want to know more. So let me go to the bit longer video.
Right. So there you have it. This is basically just AI editing. The AI is doing the editing for you, and it's free. I mean, if I had these 10 videos right here, I paid somebody to do these 10 videos, to edit 10 videos out of one of my videos, I'd be paying them $500. And this is free. It just saved us. Not only did it save us money, but it saved us time, because how long would it take that person to edit, add captions, find the right thoughts, all that kind of thing? It would probably take them a day to do 10 videos, maybe half a day, but it would cost $500. Here we did it for free, and we did it in minutes. I can literally take these videos and just upload them right now to YouTube and start driving fresh new traffic just like that. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.